right, welcome back. Like I said, I'm going to continue my level design here. Perfect. All right, let's get to it. So, a couple hours ago, I was doing this, and I like it. I like it a lot. What's next for me in here is basically the process volume first. I changed the bloom setting just a bit. I don't think I need a mobile depth of field though. Right, I might do this differently. Let's see. Let's go through all these settings. That's fine. Bloom. I changed the bloom. Yes, that's okay. We do need exposure. Might want it a bit lower though. Nah. Minus 0.6. 8. Let's see, 8. 6. 6. Yeah, that can stay. Fine. Yeah, I don't want any chromatic operation, to be honest. So just 0, 0. Dirt mask, there is no dirt mask. Camera is fine. Local exposure is fine. Lens flare. Yep. Image effect. No. I'm actually going to check this on the other. I might just bring back what I have on the cave map, to be completely honest with you about this. So I keep the changes just now. Let's open up this. Yeah, save it. Environment. I should have this here. Okay. Copy of this map. I can save it. I just gonna going to move to 0, 0, 0. No, I'm actually going to move here. Paste. did it in the first. Yes. And it's a lot. So, no chromatic aberration, no image effect. Actually, go back. Just have both. Paste. Yes. Now that I have both of them, I can just cross-check them, which is going to be a pain in the arse, but it's just fine. So, nope. Any of these? Tones, highlight. Nothing. Yeah, no film grain, no path tracing, volume setting. Okay. Lumen. Yes. What we need is this. So let's try to keep the camera here and just not render that. Opener, no C. All right, let's make it not visible. Okay. It's fine. Go into process. Depth of field. Okay. right? So the radius 100. Change. So I don't want too blurry, just a bit. Run like that, and yeah, I think it's pretty safe to say that this is good. And I can change the sensor here. So, and 24 millimeter, 22 millimeter, maybe 28, 30, 50. 50 is too much. 30, 24. Right. Character is a bit blurry as well, so 750. 800. 800 is fine. Let's save this. And we definitely don't need this. Thank you. Actually, I have to check that. I wrote it somewhere, I think. They have like a collection of devlog for soft shadows, changing the source radius of the point light. So this. Okay, let's play the game. Let's find the point light. The second. Honestly, I like the shadows here. It's just can give you a nicer looking shadows, but only around that part. So yeah. What I need actually to change is the directional light color, I guess. Yeah, I want it to be more like orange-ish. That red one is cool as well. I have a source angle here. I'm just not gonna use it. I just stop. Directional light. I think I'm going to take it down this. It was 3, isn't it? Yeah. I think I'm gonna crack this down to 0. What was changed? Okay. Just light was. It's fine. Distance, ray tracing. functions. Yeah. I think I'm gonna give it like let's try to give like purplish color. Something like that. For start. Two. Yeah, that's definitely. To 75. So 1, 2. So no. Like 65. But definitely not that color. Definitely the same as this. So 50. The one 750 as well. Actually, I might want this 2000. More. The same. Nope. Just a tiny bit. And I could try the back these lights as well to be some color. Uh-huh. Try that one on the front. Yeah, a bit more. Yeah, I think something like that. So we're gonna keep A, 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 A. Right. Post process. Okay. This is skylight. Skylight color is actually fine. Sky spheres. Okay. Yeah, I think it's like that. Let me see on stream. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let's see what we have. How can I populate that? So let's see some meshes. An arch, an armchair, clothes. Ooh. I actually like that. I might just put it on the top of that. Yeah, no, it looks good, but it's a nice 3D model. What else we have here? Book, carpet, sail, deer horn, drovers, floor, and M4. Shelves, bottles, walls, lamps. What if? Well, it doesn't have any lights, but just plain out of curiosity. How does it look? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have in Fantasy Bundle. Which is we have some grasses here, barrels. Should dock it in the layout. I'm just looking if I can find something that I like and I can put there. This chain. Some fabric. flag. Housing. Street lamp. Torch. Nah, nothing there. Let me see what I can do with the chain and the flag. Because I might just... Where is the chain? Chain. Good look. And maybe another one. Like in 100. 150. Okay, so 150. And the flag. Ah, it's really big. Okay. Make it smaller. Too small. Well, not the chains, but the flag is actually really nice. What else we have here? Yeah, the flag is fine. Or maybe we don't need the second chain. Red wall. Ah, no. I like the chains now. This is just too big, to be honest. Nice. Nice. What do we have in the downtown? Assets. Oh, crap. Okay. Props. Okay. Let's find static mesh objectives and docket. We have a bottle of something. I can put it on the table. I would put some books on the table as well. Can I'm just thinking about this sign. Some posters, chair. Some other signs. No smoking sign. Okay. Posters. All right. I'm definitely like the bottle. So I just take this bottle. Some books. I know I have some books somewhere. Books at 8. But let's try to snap that. Okay. And books. Books at 3. It's the same as this, just let's see. Yeah. Do I have more books? Like a single book? No. Okay. So it's the same as that, yeah? Yes. Right. Fortunately, we don't have like a single book. This looks fun. Yeah. Yeah, I quite like it. My only problem with that is this. It's in the middle. Okay. Don't I have like one of unfortunately, just 3 of them. But you know what? Paintings. I can just do that. Make it much smaller. And it's snapped there. Not sure if you're going to see it, but oh yeah, you see something. Cool. Maybe a lamp. Unfortunately, I don't have a standing lamp here. It would be so fun. Let's try to find a lamp. I only have like this kind of lamp. I might be able to use that though. Yeah, not too bad. Honestly, it's not too bad. Just do this. Make it a tiny bit smaller because just huge. It's huge. Yeah. Just move it somewhere. Too small now. 6. I just put this clock here instead. Yay. And I might just move this whole thing. Okay. Lit. So Okay. Books at all. Set 1. Load 1. Chain 1. 1. Birds 1. Soda, papers, flag, chain. Leafy, lamp 1. And some books at 1. So I take all of these, and in the environment, I just wait. Those books at 17. Okay, 17. Let's move all of these. The folder. It's lamps. What's this? Okay. Open the blueprint editor. All right. Lights on. Then set the material to this. How can anyone do things like that? And why the color is a vector parameter? Jeez. All right, I just create a new blueprint of this. Let me just. Wow. Okay. I'm just going to create a new blueprint of it. Blueprints. I'm just gonna copy there. BP. Yeah, not like that. Huh. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do this. So comes here, light intensity down there. This one has a target. Right. This one, two. Okay. Target. Target. If this true. That. True. I kindly ask you to work with that parameter, which is insane, but I do things differently as well, so who am I to say anything at all, to be completely honest with you. Nice. Can I just not run this though? Yeah. So now I don't need, I can just pretty much change the spotlight's color. Yeah, cool. Perfect. Save it and compile. And I make this lamp ridiculously intense. So it just pops out of the scene. Because right now it's there, you can see it, yeah, it's fine. But I want it to be really, really bright, like insanely bright. Open the blueprint editor. Don't need this. We need the material, we need the intensity. Okay. It's not my blueprint, so I'm just trying to make it convenient for myself, but I can turn it on and off. So yeah, I think it's okay. So spotlight. Let's try 5. Ah, because of the intensity. Okay. Yeah, don't set the intensity. Okay. I'm going to set the intensity here. Yes. Cool. Yeah, just getting some emails. Nicknames question. Who did you want to become as a child? Not even as a child. As an adult, like a grown ass 33 years old adult. I still want to be Spider-Man, so there it is. What about you? Okay. Sorry, but just checking my emails. 33,000, yeah. Do I want like a really cool color? Or just a warm like that? Maybe I just want a warm color. Alright, let's put this on silent. It does not pop like that. I don't really want white either. You wanted to be a pilot. Nice. Why didn't you though? Or are you a pilot? First of all, yeah. First of all, are you a pilot? Yeah, white is fine. Just 500, and I just want the inner core to be 15, and this one here too. Bigger. Shouldn't be much bigger, but Static dynamic shadow. Cause dynamic shadows. Does this cause dynamic shadows? Yeah. Bigger. Even bigger. Too intense. I think the problem is that the light is too intense. So this is 0. The light from there should be something like this. A bit of inner core, and I need to make this not as powerful. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, much more subtle. Okay. And I actually can do this. Or just move it back and rotate the light like this. Yeah, I'm not sure about that light. It was a good idea, but it might be a bit too much. Maybe just clock, yeah, at the edge of the table. It's actually sometimes less is more. And in this case, less is definitely more. Okay, I quite like this, so I guess I just stick with it. Cool. Next up, the conversation. But for that, I need a new character. Let me see. Right, and you guys can watch this while I'm browsing through my asset packs. An individual. Perfect. I guess I need to do a bit of a sprite. Ugh. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like this. So at least I don't need a lot. I need an idle animation. And a run animation. Maybe a run animation. It's on the left. Do I need eyes on the right? So I have to yeah. All right. I can show what I'm working on here. So yeah, why not? So instead of this, we just go to desktop. This is my basically I take notes. So in all of these, yes, as an animation. Ah, okay. Need to select all of these and flip horizontal, and then just export as a sprite sheet. Then I need to open the run animation, just the one, select all of them, set all of them, and export. First of all, flip, export as a sheet. That's it. And now I have that one and this one. How do I Bounty Hunter idle walk? Okay, so Bounty Hunter idle and walk like that. Idle and walk. Okay. Now let's create Before I actually do that, I'm just going to make a save of this. So just save it. And then make a copy. I think I'm gonna work till 6-ish. No, about black screen, just a sec. I'm just making a backup. I should use Git. Just can't be really arsed to set up GitHub, especially for an Unreal project. Pain in the arse. For Unity, it's so easy. Almost nothing can go wrong. There is a really good git ignore, default git ignore for Unity projects. But for Unreal, it's... I've seen many teams failing with GitHub and backups and branches and nuked branches. No. Fortunately, I don't have to work on this project anywhere else but home. So yeah, sometimes I bring it to the university, but I don't really work on it. I can't stream from the university, so there's one reason why I'm not doing that. The other one, even university computers can mess it up. So just to load on different computer. Page. Oh, wow. One person is following my project on Kickstarter. Okay. Is it any one of you? Maybe from here? That's exciting. That is actually really exciting. I was just checking my pre-launch page. I pre-launched it today, so that's cool. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's open up the project again for you guys. There we go. My thumbnails. Setting up a new character 2D character in Unreal. It's, at least for me, I don't know, maybe because I've done it many times now. It's just a pain for me, really, at this point. Like, I really like to have running animation on this NPC. I just don't know if I have the will to do that, to be honest. Why do I have these in here? It should be in the flipbook. And these outside of this. So fine. I'm not gonna mess this up. So textures and flipbooks. So the way it works with paper ZD is it's a bit different than Unreal's default paper 2D stuff. So I actually need. No, so the main reason why I'm using Paper ZD because Unreal's default Paper 2D plugin that comes with Unreal Engine is how can I put that in the nicest way? I'm not going to. It's shite. You can't really work with that. I mean, it doesn't have like essential features. So there was a guy a couple years ago who developed this plugin, and with the plugin you can actually use anim graphs, for example, for your sprites, which is huge. Like, without an anim graph and animation blueprints, it's just so hard to animate your sprites in Unreal Engine. It just, yeah. And the guy released the Paper ZD plugin for maybe 15, 18 pounds. So about $20, I think. But Epic bought it and made it free now. So the plugin is free to use, and it's pretty much essential if you ever want to work on a 2D game. First things first, when you export a texture, import a texture, you want to apply the paper 2D texture settings on it. That's your first action. Then you want to extract the sprites from it, and I always do in grid, and I just count how many I have here. This looks all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't look right though, so I'm just going to divide the width with 8 and extract it. It shouldn't be that side. It should face the other. Yeah. All right. Not a problem. Kind of problem, but not really. because I'm just going to flip it. Save. Save. And import it again. All right. Hopefully it's the same. Yeah. Let's extract the sprites. Yeah, I actually wanted to change the sprite colors as well. I mean, I can always do that off stream. Yeah, that's fine. I set up the character at least today. So that was 8. Extract. And after I usually extract it, I just rename the texture to texture and immediately create a flipbook like this. Do I do this? Yeah, okay. It's been a while I've done that, sorry. It runs backwards. Yeah, I actually need to do it properly. Okay, no problem. So, back to a sprite, basically. So I need the idle. Extract the idle as it is. I already name it. Bounty Hunter idle export. And I need the walk, run. Export it. And call it walk. Export. There we go. Apply to the extract sprite, grid, and set to 8. Oh yeah, I realize you don't see it because I'm not. So let's do desktop. And rename it T, creating flipbook, taking all of these to the root and the flipbook to the flipbook. Do the same with the idle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's another divided by 8 like this, and extract. And I create a flipbook. Flipbook to the flipbook. And the rest of the sprites to the sprites. And just to check if I've done that correctly, I'm gonna do it correctly. So the walk animation is 10 per second, and the idle animation is 10 per second as well. Okay. So I'm gonna take the bounty hunter idle animation to 10, and I do the same with the walk animation. Perfect. And because I would like, but mine don't need it. Set up like a full blown out. Let me try this. Let me try this because I should be able to override the animation state. No, because it actually needs an fuck. Okay. Yeah, it needs an anim instance. Great. Alright. So I just create a new folder, bounty hunter. Let me see, what's this? Right, arrow animation. Yeah, it has everything I need. I probably just make a duplication of this. Here. But in blueprint, right view. Idle animation. Shouldn't matter too much. It has to. I'm gonna check later on. But 30 maybe it's fine. And the way I can check this, I go to the office map and just, yeah. This is where the fun begins. I'm going to start to move it down. Okay, that's 28 points, no, 18.6, I think. Yeah, I've done that a couple of times, so kinda know when it's on the floor. It's actually in the floor now, so maybe 19. Yeah, 19 is fine. Cool. Animation, yep. Animation component. And we have no animation instance for this. So we're going to create one. Okay, that's fine. Let's open up the actual map. The office map. Yeah, save it. stuffs are here, but not the... Where are they? There's a player start. There's a camera. What the... Camera's there. Yeah, it was... I think a collision problem. Yes. So... Smaller. Fourteen. Yeah, looks alright to me. Perfect. I'll just make sure that this is the same as that. So they are aligned. And just flip this thing. And we can start from because what I would like to do is, so she's there and coming here this close, let's say. So basically walking into. But for that, I do need all of this stuff. So this is an animation source, and this is an paper ZD animation blueprint. So paper ZD animation source, and just for names, Ash, okay. So Ash, okay, Hunter, and I'm going to add bounty Hunter idle. It's been how many? Maybe 4 months now. I've done this kind of stuff in October the last time, and I've already forgot. Like, I mean, at least the namings. I already forgot how I was naming them. I'm pretty sure I did like underline. Yeah, cool. Idle and walk. So we do an idle. I just can't spell. Hunter idle and another one. Bounty hunter walk. Alexa, turn on the living room.
Okay.
Can't say shit. So for the walk, we are going for the walk animation. And for the idle, we do the idle one. And we save these. And now we need a animation blueprint. And I believe the animation blueprint is still here. Yeah. And we are selecting the bounty hunter. Animation blueprint bounty hunter. And here's the trick, what I always do. I've done this once, I've coded everything, and because of that, I'm just going to copy paste it. So I take all of these back to bounty hunter, naming unim BP. Okay. Well, then unim BP. Unim BP. Go to the animation graph. I paste it. And I have a lot of errors because now I have to go in and change a couple of things. First of all, I have to cast it to this. So in the event graph, int, I think, yeah. I'm just going to cast to BP bounty hunter. I get the owning actor. Get owning actor. Like that. Let's make it the same. Nice. And just promote it to a variable. Yep. Take the whole thing. And now, locomotion. Basically, the only thing I need here is the idle one. So I just changed this to Bounty Hunter Idol and save it. I go back to run. This is Bounty Hunter Walk. And for the transitions, 1 and 2. And it should be saved. Yes. Compiled and saved. And here at the animation component, I'm just picking the anim. This one here. And it's ready to go. So, what I like her to do, let's go back here entirely, so you can't see her. Okay. Sometimes Unreal doesn't like when you rename a blueprint, so be careful with this. I need to begin play, I think. Yes, I do. And I need a tick as well. I could use like an AI for that, like a behavior tree. Do I want a behavior tree for a sim? No. I mean, I could, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna do this. Where's that stuff? Okay. Props. Cool. Camera pro, position, camera shake, default character, game mode, default, camera shake again, and position. Okay, I can leave those there. In the prologue, I did this. Okay, so on begin play, I'm going to create a variable is moving, and we set this false. We wait 3 seconds, 1 second. And then I set this to true, and then we set this to false. So we're gonna grab this. If you hold Control and drag it in here, you are not getting that kind of sub menu. So with Control, you actually get it. With Alt, you can set it. Just hold it down, Control or Alt. Holding down B, giving you a branch. Holding down D, giving you a delay. There are so many shortcuts like that. This one is Q, so I'm just make it the connection straight. Keep things nice and tidy. And while it's moving, I'm gonna do that. Self. Should work, I think. Not entirely. I don't know. Yeah, it works. Five. Yep. And we scale it back. 0.5. And now 1, but we adding 0.25. Slow down, man. Slow down. Scale is actually fine like that. Third one. 0.5. Is there any difference? I think it's a walk speed thing. Yeah. Okay. Scale 1. And if I go back. Oh, guys, tell me that I'm I'm editing the wrong one. So yeah, it's 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 9. So scale is 20. Scale is fine. One. Quite like that. Just do it longer. Not that long. 1.5 seconds maybe. One 1.25. Bit longer. 3, 7. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Only thing I need to do here, I'm gonna need a branch for sure, because I need to check because it's not connected. I'm working on the map, so it's not connected, but I actually need to check when this ends. Or I could have this code on here. I just have to reference the bounty hunter, which is quite easy. If I go back here, like that, and I just create a reference for this. It doesn't tell me when it ends. I can still figure it out. I can get it's moving. Set is moving actually. Is moving. Set. Do that. And yes, no. Take this off from here and just having the tick in my blueprint. This should work as well. My only problem with this is that this is not the end of the code. This is not the end of the opening widget. So I kind of need to figure out the timing. But this one here is essentially the same. It should work the same. I can kind of tell the timing though. Oh, easy. Easy. Because I'm removing from the parent, so I can ask if it's valid. If this valid, that one here. If it's not valid, then do this for me. Thank you. Let's try this out. And if this one is not valid anymore, then run the code for me. Pretty please. Okay. So I just save this. I'm actually opening up the entire thing just now. So what do I have here? Will it stay? It should. Yeah. Of course it should. Of course it should. So I can go to sorry. Here and play the game. So let's go. Ah, me being stupid here. Sorry. Okay. Office map. I forgot to do this. My bad. My bad. Sorry. I'm going to move that puddle there, so we have more reflections here. Didn't load the office map yet. Oh, it did. She's there. All right. Have an idea? Give me this. That moving. And the target is this. Okay. And it's true. Then print. Let's open up the office map. It's gonna throw some errors, but it's still quicker that way. Okay, debugging. Pause. I want to see if it sets true at all at any point. Because either it sets true and I just messed up the reference, or it doesn't set true because it's still valid. Okay. All right. So that's the problem. Because it only set this to true, it's not valid anymore. We can work with that. Just put this one here for a second. So if it's valid, then okay. So I don't need this one here. Let me see if it moves the character. It's true, then it turns to false because that's the code I'm telling to do. If we did it right, then that NPC should be in our face. Yep, cool. So I only have to figure out when is not on the viewport. When is not on the viewport. To verify this for yourself, you can right-click in an empty section of the event graph. Type is visible, is in viewport. Is visible, is in viewport, is in viewport. I mean, I can try this. Don't see why not. We just need a branch. And if it's false, then moving. And I'm still checking this. Cool. Okay. Is in view, that one. If not, then again. Yeah, okay. Wasn't sure if I connected it. So your force. The code should have run already. Okay. Is visible. Okay. Mm, Oh, it's true. Then it's false. All right, this is odd now. True, false. Okay. Is visible is not working. Because this is definitely working. Like, alright, just give me 10 seconds. Let me just see if it's actually working. That part of the code. I'm not gonna use a delay node for that. It's not using delay nodes are actually bad practice, especially on a bigger game when you have like frame rate problems. I can definitely able to tell somehow when this ends here. I definitely want to create a variable. Game open scene screen. Because after that I can just is rendered. Well, I can find out from stuff like that. And just do print strings. On that. Yes. Was true. I need to pause again. But it actually doesn't have access to it. So I'm not even sure if I set this to pause, then the character would move or not. Okay. I really don't want to use a delay note here. What I could try is make this exposed to spawn as well and use this. For this text and display text. One and check if these two are equal. If they are equal, then need to wait 3.5 seconds. Still not the best. Let's see. Nope. want to see that it's actually moving there. Even 20 seconds. 30. The reason why I don't want to use a delay node, because in a game like this, not in this, but in a bigger game, if you have frame rate problems, it can mess up the timing a lot. Uh, I mean, yeah, just yeah, okay. I leave it like that just now, but I'm gonna make a note that I don't like that. I might be just tired. Sometimes when I can't solve a problem, uh, need iteration. When I can't solve a problem, I just leave it, and something might just pop to my head, and I can change it later on. What I actually forgot to add, and I'm going to add that just now before I leave, is some footsteps with the animation. Okay. NPC moves player. Okay. So I'm going to add some here. Maybe at 3. I can add this to 3. and another one at 7. Two and 6. Three and 7, I think. Oops. 3. It's fine. Okay. Cool. Yeah. That sounds nice. I need player character to be face to the left. Yeah, might work. Might work because no. I actually need a rotation here, I think. Get back to rotation. Split the structure. Get set for rotation. Relative. Split the structure. I need more space to work with. So that, and Z. Is that Z? Yeah. Let's try this. And Okay, what's the problem? Ah, all right. Yeah, sure. Okay. Basically, yeah, that's it. I am going to play this again one more time. Just put this one out here. So, excuse me. And this whole thing can come here too. Okay. So, save. Let's play the whole game. Do I want to build? landscape, if build reflection captures. And build the lights as well. Build the lights, build the reflections. Okay, and now I build the reflections again. Okay, so let's see this. Maps, levels, save everything. Yes. And while I'm here, I'm going to delete this stuff from here. If I'm already here. Maps, start menu. Okay. Take this off. Save. Let's play. Let's see where we are at the moment. This is 7th of February. So we're doing really well. So we can press any button. Again, said we can press any button. Yep, it's working. So we can press any. New game. It loads the cave map, unloads the main menu map. A bit of music going on. Next time I'm probably gonna change like names. I'm gonna give this character a name. Yeah, that looks rad. And now it should load the office map, unload the cave map. Yep, that happened. Need some music here. And just casual background music for these two. Perfect. Getting there, definitely. Really like my progress. Though at some point I need to take screenshots of these, so I might do that next week, to be honest. Like just screenshot, like trying to organize my stuff. Yeah, probably tomorrow. No, tomorrow, I mean next week. Next week I need one day. Alright, I think the next stream is going to happen on Saturday. I mean, these are the scheduled ones, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday, 10 AM GTM in the UK. I hope you guys join. Next time I have a written conversation between the girls. Oh yeah, and I need to change the sprites. I have a lot to do. I might do it on stream as well, because I just have a lot going on here. But this is development. This is game development, so it is what it is, and I still enjoy it as much as I can. So thanks again. I've seen that I already have 1 follower on Kickstarter. I only just launched my my pre-page, pre-launch page basically, but I can see on my account that I have a follower, and I really appreciate, like, wow, I think I only posted that page on YouTube in the description of these streams and in one forum. So thank you. I hope I see you the next